is over and all the stories told, you'll always hold on to that feeling of being cars on the road. Rolling down the blacktop, horizon full of dreams, laughing back and forth about all the things they've seen. Yet what's to come is still unknown, a sparkle in time's eye. The only thing they know for sure, it's bound to be a great ride. 'Cause when